Hello everyone. So I'm sure a lot of people have broken their Surface Pro pen nib. So what happens actually is people accidentally drop it on the tip and the plastic cover on top of the nib gets broken. As the replacement nibs are very costly, I was trying to look for some alternative, and surprisingly I found very cheap alternative to Surface Pro pen tip. So what you have to do is you can pull one outline marker, which is Staedtler pigment liner, or you can also pull copy, which is here. So you can pull out the nib, which has this kind of metal tip and a felt tip inside. So you pull it out, you can cut it in the shape, and you can simply insert into Surface Pro pen in the right size. So I'll just show you. This works well. It's that easy. Not sure if you are able to see that. Okay, that's it then. Thank you.